Hi, my name is Amanda Miles, and I did my project on career exploration for business administration and entrepreneurship. Um, this project was or is for Del Mar College for their upskill initiative program. Um, Upskill Coastal Bend initiative program. Their website needed more content. What it is, it's going to help post-secondary students and students in 11th, 12th grade help find the job they want in the program and study that they have chosen. It'll also help pick the best career path for them. I'm sorry, it's not going to help pick the best career path, but it's going to give them resources where they can find the best career path for the jobs and program of study that they have chosen. I've chose to do my project in Storyline Rise. It's online based. I've shared the link within my folder so all can look at it. Within business administration and entrepreneurship, there's different jobs, general areas. So I broke those down. I'll show accounting as an example, a summary of what accounting is. And then I've also embedded YouTube videos to show what jobs are included within accounting. The link here takes them directly to Del Mar College, to the subject. So here's accounting. It'll show them what classes they'll need. And I'll go over the same sort of career opportunities. Now, also within Storyline Rise, I have shared an infographic, which I will show you here. The infographic can be opened, saved to their desktop. It can be opened in a different tab, so they have easy access to it. It breaks down just the wage, the projected employment in the next 10 years. Now, these statistics are based in the Coastal Bend area. And then what they can do is click on the image associated with the job, and it takes them directly to the Career One Stop website, which continues to break down what the job does, projected employment, the wages, education, what's needed, experience. So they have the resources here to look at if they so choose to go through with that program of study. And then to wrap up the course, I just added one question for the quiz. Now, this is more of an informational course. It's not something that they need to pass or they could fail. It's neither. But I just wanted to make sure they had an understanding of what job can go to which program of study. So here they would match jobs to program of studies here, and so on. And then I also included a feedback slide where they would go ahead and let us know or let me know if they have enough information to start their career path. And it will also ask if they've completed the entire course. Now, the reason that I asked this, the next question here is for feedback. So they're able to type feedback here. It's free form. Once they submit it, it would come to us. I need to change this. There is no scoring here since there is no pass or fail. And then with that last piece where it's asking them if they've completed all of the course, all students that answered yes, that feedback I'll take so I can implement any kind of revisions that may be needed to help the success of the site in the future.